What thou lovest well remains, the rest is dross. What thou lovest well shall not be reft from thee. What thou lovest well is thy true heritage. Whose world, or mine, or theirs, or is it of none? First came the seen, then thus the palpable. Elysium though it were in the halls of hell, what thou lovest well is thy true heritage. What thou lovest well shall not be reft from thee. The ants of Centaur in his dragon world, pull down thy vanity. It is not man-made courage, or made order, or made grace. Pull down thy vanity, I say, pull down. Learn of the green world what can be thy place, in scaled invention or true artistry. Pull down thy vanity, Patkin, pull down. The green cask has outdone your elegance. Master thyself, then others shall thee bear. Pull down thy vanity. Master thyself, then others shall thee bear. Pull down thy vanity. Thou art a beaten dog beneath the hail, a swollen magpie in a fitful sun, half black, half white. Now knowest wing from tail. Pull down thy vanity. How mean thy hates fostered in falsity. Pull down thy vanity. Wrath to destroy. Pull down thy vanity. I say, pull down. But to have done instead of not doing, this is not vanity. To have with decency knocked that a blunt should open, to have gathered from the air a live tradition, or from a fine old eye the unconquered flame. This is not vanity. Here error is all in the not done, all in the diffidence that falter.